welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Cindy's Latrice, and you already seen the thumbnail, so you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair, and I am super duper excited to get into this video because this is a different style. We are doing a 4-month update of this gorgeous shooting. So if you are interested in seeing just how well this shooting has held up, how it's washed, how all the details that you are wondering that's keeping you from ordering this unit, stay tuned and I promise you will not be disappointed. Hey you beautiful souls, welcome back to my cozy corner of the internet. Today's video is all about the 4-month journey with the Party Max 7x6 Glueless loose body wave wig from Luv Me Hair. Whether you're a diligent student, a multitasking mom, or a hard-working professional, you'll want to hear how this wig has held up. Let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about keeping this lovely wig in tip-top shape. Washing and maintaining has been as straightforward as following a recipe. After a wash, the hair comes back to life, more defined and vibrant, making it look brand new. I simply use a bit of shampoo and gently finger comb through it, and it's like pressing the reset button on this beauty. And speaking of beauty, while I share more about this wig, I'm going to show you how well it curls, giving you a live demo of its versatility. Now let's get into the lace and hairline. They're the real MVPs. The lace, practically invisible. It blends so well it might as well have a degree in camouflage. And the hairline is as natural looking as it gets, making the wig look like it's going right from your scalp. Inside, the wig structure is as sturdy and comfortable as ever, even after months of wear. It's snug without giving you that dreaded wig headache, all allowing for all-day wear. And as we all appreciate a good support system, this wig internal build is like the best friend you never knew you needed. Alright, let's dive into the main event, what truly heads above the rest with this wig. The adjustable band and the silicone base. They aren't just features, they're your wig's best kept secrets for staying put and playing nice. First off, the adjustable band. Think of it as your wig's personal fitness trainer, ensuring it always in tip-top shape around your head. The band flexes with you, offering a custom fit that's just snug enough to stay put without squeezing the daylights out of your head. Tight enough to feel secure, but gentle enough to forget it's there. Say goodbye to the days of wigs that will go more than you do. Now, let's stick to the silicone base. This is where the magic happens, minus the sticky mess of glue. It's like your wig's secret handshake with your scalp, silent but strong. For those of us who want to ditch the glue and still hold on to our hair, the silicone base is a smooth operator. It grips without the gripping too hard, keeping your wig calmly in place like it's rooted to your head without the need for any hairy situations. When you bring the adjustable band and the silicone base together, it's like having the best supporting roles in your hair's blockbuster movie. They ensure your wig is ready for a standing ovation, staying comfortably in place from the opening scene to the final credits. It's your hairpiece of mind, letting you live your life on the move without a strand out of place. As I work these curls, let's talk about shedding and flyaways. The shedding has been very minimal, impressively so, and it's like this wig hold on onto your strands as if they were precious secrets. And the flyaways, honey, a little styling product in there, and they are tame as my love for binge watching series on weekends. As we curl on, it's clear this wig doesn't just wave goodbye to issues like shedding and flyaways, it sets a new Goldilocks standard just right for every occasion. Every curl I create is a testament to the wig's versatility, providing that whether you're aiming for soft waves or bouncy curls, this wig is up for the challenge, holding its style like it holds onto its strings with determination and grace.
Number one fan, yes, I applaud. Got me think about inside the walls. Words cut deep, it's like a sword.
Whether it's presenting in class, running to a meeting, or heading out for a casual dinner, this wig transitions seamlessly. Its ability to be styled, as you can see with these curls, makes it perfect for any event, adding that touch of elegance and flair to your overall look.
I'm a mule, but you ain't even black.
So here we are, beautiful curls and all, wrapping up our 4-month journey with the Pardon Max 7x6 Glueless Loose Body Wave Wig from Luv Me Hair. It's been a dependable, versatile, and stylish companion, making every day a little easier and a lot more beautiful. But what we're not just closing a chapter here, we're stepping into the next phase of our journey with open hearts and fabulous hair. Let me leave you with some final thoughts. All right, y'all. So, honey, let me tell you, this unit is gorgeous. Like, y'all saw how it was before we got it together after I washed it, and look how she looks. Like, look at her. She looks drop dead gorgeous. She looks absolutely amazing. Like, it's got a nice sheen to it. I have not put no oil on it. The only thing that I did was put this wet stick that was on the top to help with the flyaways a little bit and to help it be more laid on the top. But other than that, that's it. This is like natural shine. Natural shine, y'all. Natural shine. No dullness. And y'all see this? No tangles. And I'm not getting any shedding. No shedding. Okay. She's amazing. You are absolutely going to get your money's worth with this unit. And Glueless, baby. Glueless. So she is a take off daily type of unit. You do have the option to glue this, but honey, look at this. Just look at this. She is so cute. So amazing, and can be worn for any occasion. Like, you can wear this on a date night. Like, just imagine yourself wearing a flowy spring summer dress with your cute little strappy heels on with this hair, honey. You gonna turn heads. If you was on the fence about getting this unit, get up off that fence and go get this unit today. She is a keeper for sure. She is going to last. As y'all can see, I wore this unit for a long time before I put it back in my rotation. I wore this unit non-stop, okay, and I got so many compliments. It is extremely comfortable. Extremely comfortable. It doesn't feel tight. It doesn't feel loose. Now, with the band being on this unit, it does help with the comfortability of this unit. So if you want it tighter, you can get it tighter. If you want it looser, you can get it looser, because the band does its job. I absolutely love the band on this unit. And the back of it with that silicone on it, it helps secure the unit on your head as well, so you feel more confident knowing that your hair ain't going nowhere. Okay, you can shake this unit. Shake it, because it ain't going nowhere. Okay, she's going to stay where she needs to stay. Y'all know this is my absolutely favorite hairstyle. I love this hairstyle. My husband loves this hairstyle. So this is my go-to. Like if I had to choose a style, this is the style that I would choose because she compliments me very well. And she's easy and she's just hands down a 10 out of 10. So what are you waiting for? Go ahead and scoop this unit up today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. Because she's a keeper. You are not going to be disappointed with this unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And you already know what to do. Head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video, and I'll see you over there.